Hi, everyone. Thanks for logging on here. We're getting ready to get started. I first want to thank all of you for joining today's quick presentation. My name is Matthew Scott, and I'm the CFO of TheraMedical. We are a compound sales force company. Our focus is to build relationships with current pharmaceutical and device sales representatives and help you increase your earning potential by basically just giving you other products to sell. So, as a 1099 contractor working with TheraMedical, you basically own your own business. You have no boss. However, as you'll see, you actually have just as much sales support and materials as if you were an employee. So all the upside, none of the downside. All of our management staff has a lot of experience in either pharmaceutical or medical device sales. So we know what you need, we know what you want, and we seek to give it to you. So before I jump into the presentation, though, just a reminder, you have the ability to submit questions. They'll get sent to us via email. And after the presentation, we'll actually just respond to those via email as well. So feel free to submit any questions as they come up. So this is our agenda for today. What we're going to cover: what is compounding, a quick market analysis, the resurgence in the industry, why TheraMedical, different income opportunities, different resources available to our affiliates, and basically just a message on our transparency. So what is compounding? Basically, it is the creation of particular pharmaceuticals that meet the needs of a unique patient. So the pharmacists combine current FDA-approved ingredients to make a tailored medication for a particular patient. They've done this for many years and for different reasons. Sometimes just to change the form of a medication from a pill to a liquid, maybe to avoid a particular ingredient that maybe someone's allergic to get exact dosages for certain individuals, or sometimes just even to make something taste good for children. So in our case, you're actually selling topical creams or gels. So something that was formerly a medication, like in a pill form that someone would swallow, now it is made into a topical cream or gel. So, taking a quick look at the industry, we're finding that more and more physicians are utilizing compound pharmacies. In fact, this is an IBIS World Report that highlighted that the market is a $5 billion market, and it's continued to grow from 2009 to 2014. Furthermore, as the population is aging, more doctors and patients are likely turning to compounding pharmacies just to prepare medications that have alternative dosage, strengths, or even just ways they're administered. So, looking at the resurgence, bottom line, there's been a huge surge in the use of compound pharmaceuticals over the past few years. Unfortunately, we're finding there's a couple issues. So, number one, many of the compound pharmacies and sales forces, they're ran by highly intelligent individuals. They know their science, but they have zero experience in sales and marketing. So, even the basic needs, such as training and equipping their sales force, are non existent. Most other compound sales reps you meet in the field are usually untrained. They have no idea what they're really selling. And this is good news for you, but the industry has led to a lot of misstatements and poor customer service. So don't be surprised if your conversations start out a bit negative at the mention of compounds. You'll have some questions about being legal. Is it FDA approved? Maybe a report about meningitis, etc. So, bottom line, any negative feedback, it's an in for you. It's an opportunity because it's evidence that someone else screwed up, which is your chance to basically use what you've learned through us and do a better job and win that person over. So why TheraMedical? Number one, the sales affiliates are our number one concern. So that's you. We do our best to support you, and at the same time, you don't have a boss. So we got plenty of resources for you to utilize in the field, and this includes trainers, speakers, promotional materials, web tracking software that allows you to track your scripts daily, etc. So picture all of the resources of big pharma, but none of the downside. So the second set of individuals that we try to bring value to is the physicians. So our goal is to increase the credibility of the compound pharmaceutical industry, and that really starts with equipping you as a sales affiliate and then making sure that you're able to shape the minds of the physicians and help them understand the benefits of our products. Then you're able to provide them with clinicals, patient handouts, And your services is a huge part to really make sure that their patients are taken care of. And lastly, we seek to deliver an incredible amount of value to the patients. So we partner with the best in class pharmacies. So, number one, they're inspected rigorously to ensure that they're quality, they're delivering a quality product, and that they're clean. Number two, patients are going to give access or get access to patient assistance programs to make sure that 100% of the patients are covered. So, bottom line, everyone has an opportunity to get the medication if they need it. So, the reason you're listening today is because of this slide. So, as a TheraMedical sales affiliate, you have the opportunity to make money utilizing your current relationships with physicians. So, a doctor writes a script and you get paid. So, your commission is based off of what we call net commissionable insurance reimbursements, which means you get paid a percentage off of what the insurance company reimburses for a medication. This does exclude Medicaid and Medicare patients. So, although those patients do have access to the medicines, you will not be paid on those patients. However, you'll find that the commissions are really good on the other patients, so that's okay. Also, there's no lowering of commissions on refilled prescriptions. So, this gives you opportunity to really build a passive income as well. So, the same commission that you were paid in month one is the same for month two, etc. And refills are filled monthly. Lastly, we know that quality reps know other quality reps. So we pay you to help us expand our sales force. So if you know other reps with good relationships with physicians, then you could make money off of them as well. You qualify to receive overrides on all prescriptions and refills that they produce as well. So when you do the math with TheraMedical Sales Affiliate Program, you see that it doesn't take long for most reps to match or even exceed their current daytime W-2 positions. And these are just a few of the resources you have available to you as an affiliate. We have online trainings, promotional materials, consumer brochures, sales aids, web-based data tracking software to allow you to track your scripts, field sales support, speakers programs, webinars for physicians, etc. And we understand that seeing results daily is huge and it's motivating. We get it. So once you complete training, you're actually given access to our web-based data tracking software. It allows you to see which scripts came in daily, compare refill rates versus the nation. If you've recruited any sales affiliates, you kind of have some oversight on them as well to see what kind of activity they're doing and see where you stand relative to your goals. So, bottom line, we seek to be as transparent as possible, give you the most up to date information to help you stay motivated, help you see what's going on, and really just focus on building your business. So, bottom line, aligning yourself as a TheraMedical sales affiliate, it will give you a strategic advantage in the field. We know you have other compound sales force companies that you can join. However, I guarantee you, you will not find the training, the sales support, the marketing materials, the tracking software, all of these things that we've heavily invested into. Why? Because we know that your credibility in the field is the most important thing. When you think about it, most of you have been in the field for many years, have built these relationships, have been a credible source of information to these physicians, and we know that's important to you. So we made it important to us. We've invested heavily into these things, and we want you to use them. Join with us and produce an amazing income with TheraMedical. So that concludes our brief sales affiliate program overview. For those of you who submitted any questions during the presentation, we will get back to you shortly via email. After watching this presentation, if you are still interested in speaking to someone about joining TheraMedical, please contact the email address you see on the screen. Bottom line, this is an amazing opportunity to make great income with some of the relationships that you have. So please contact us further if you want any more information about either the products that we sell or the specialties that we sell to. So thanks again, and we will talk to you soon.